Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle components without causing damage. First, power off your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, locate and remove the screws from the bottom cover of your laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the plastic. Take your time to ensure you're not damaging any clips that hold the cover in place. With the bottom cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the existing hard drive. It typically sits in a designated slot and is secured with additional screws. Remove these screws carefully, and gently slide the hard drive out of its connector. Make sure to handle the components by their edges to avoid static damage. Now, it's time to install the new M.2 SSD. Insert the SSD into the M.2 slot at an angle and then press it down gently until it snaps into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed from the old hard drive. Before closing your laptop, we recommend cleaning the interior. Use compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated inside. Maintaining cleanliness can improve airflow and overall performance. Once everything is in place, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover back in place. Now, you're ready to power on your laptop. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You'll receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. After powering on, enter the BIOS to ensure your new SSD is recognized by the system. You can usually access the BIOS by pressing F10 during startup. If your SSD is detected, you can proceed to install your operating system on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Congratulations! You successfully upgraded your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS with an M.2 SSD. This upgrade will significantly enhance your laptop's performance, allowing for faster boot times and improved application loading speeds. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. We're here to ensure your tech experience is seamless. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.